We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Epson Workforce WF7610. If you just recently got the printer or you just got your first replace ink message, we're going to show you where the ink is located and how to change that ink cartridge. It's a pretty simple process. So what you're going to do is on both sides of the printer there's a little handle just by the scanner. You're going to lift straight up, and then we'll turn the printer so you can see a little bit better. The cartridges are going to be located on the right side of the printer once you open that. So you'll give it a second for the cartridge to dock itself where it needs to be. Once it's where it needs to be and stops, then you'll see there's a little gray case that goes over the ink cartridge that says Epson on it, and at the very top of it there's a little latch. So you're going to kind of push in and pull up on that latch and lift it up. Once you open that little hatch, then you're able to access all your ink. So you're going to go ahead and find the ink that needs to be replaced. There's a little tab at the very top of that cartridge, and you're going to push in on that tab and pull up, and that'll remove the cartridge for you. So again, you're going to push in on this little tab and pull up on the cartridge, and that'll remove it from the print head. So once you have your new cartridge, you're just going to slide it right back down into that slot and push straight down until you feel it click into place. And you're going to want to repeat that process for any and all inks that need to be replaced. And once that's done, you're going to go ahead and close this little hatch and press it down until it clicks and snaps back into place. Then you can lower the top of the scanner, and you're going to give the printer a second to finish initializing and getting that ink ready to use. Once it comes back to a full ready state, then you'll be good to go and back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.